Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted an LED drawing board. It's so cool. I can't wait to show you. Get a super easy to use manual, some markers. These are like dry erase. You get like a cleaning cloth, a little spray bottle. You just put water in here. If you have the marker on here for a while, like it's kind of dried on there, and then just water gets it off with your cleaning cloth. And then it comes with a charger so that you can charge it. This is what it looks like. So let's look up close. Okay, so you have little like plasticky, rubbery things on here, and that is going to help it stay in place when it is on the table. You can put string through here and then hang it up, or on the back, you have like a little foot, and I'll show you how it stands up. What you're going to do is long press here to turn it on. This is where you charge it right here. You can see the colors coming through here. So you have all of these different modes. To change the different modes, you are just going to click on that on button again and choose whichever color or whichever mode you want. You have a bright and dimming function here. That's next. And then these two buttons set the time, the hour and the minutes, and then it will stay on. So what I love about this is, yes, this is for kids, but you can also use this for birthdays and parties, and just to like leave fun notes. So I'm going to say on here, maybe for your kids in the morning, you want to say, have a great day. There you go. And then you can just stand this up and watch it. So cool. Let me move it a little bit away from all of my stuff. There you go. You also get these like pictures. It's like this whole little book. This is great because then you can use this as a tracing board as well. This is so much fun. Let's learn a little more about it and see what it looks like. This 16-inch rechargeable LED drawing board has 9 color light modes with a timer, a built-in stand, and the neon dry erase glow markers. You can doodle, you can sketch, you can trace. You get 6 markers and the cleaning cloth plus the spray bottle. This thing is so great. It is going to stay lit for up to 12 hours on a single charge. This is such a great creative gift and a non-screen gift to give to kids. We love these, and this is also great because you can use this for all of your fun occasions in your home, for birthday signs and the holidays. Definitely check this one out.